This is
the biggest jump. Where's my button on this one?
What are we making?
Where's my button on the platform? I need some help.
Push it up. Where's your pushing? There you go. Yay!
You did great.
Who do you have here? You got a bulldozer and the excavator. Jace, do you know everything is green? Your shirt is green, your shorts are green, your shoes are green, and your excavators and the bulldozer are green too. What's that? The bulldozer. It's got greens and... No, it has some green color and yellow. Yeah, I see. Look at you running. Wow.
good job.
Very good.
I need some help.
What should I do?
I need some help making it taco.
Okay. Please come. Gonna make a pile. What should I do?
Someone make it this one.
Oh, there's more mulch over there?
Yeah.
And what do you want it to do? Come see
Bring
you?
it. I'll bring it.
Okay,
Good.
we're coming.
Good job. Oh no.
You have to bring your bulldozer over to you?
Mommy, it's a tile box.
Where's the spider web?
No, on the right there.
Underneath the playground?
Let's play.
Oh, that's right.
There's a spider web. It doesn't move on it.
Do you know what it meant?
Yeah.
It must be a spider here.
It says no. No pile here.
Yeah, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Where are we going? Oh, look at you climbing up so fast like a spider. Wow, Spider Jace. Is that it?
I like this pile.
You like a Spider-Man? Yeah.
I need to go up some more.
Good.
Getting really high up. You're gonna go on the roof? Oh
How
my goodness,
sweet.
Jace.
I'm taking back down.
Okay, I'll come get you. Ready? Come down this way. Turn around. Give me your feet. No, turn around. You got to turn around. I don't know if we can get you. Oh. I think you're stuck. Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do for you.
On the roof.
Yes, I think you're stuck on the roof right there. I'm getting you. Don't worry. Stay right where you are. Here I come. Okay, come. I got you. You're welcome, sweetie.
What is this?
There's a climbing spiral. I see you.
Nice.
You're doing really good at that. Yeah.
Great.
You did great.
You need some help getting down here to the ground?
I don't need help, Mom.
No? But you just said I should help you.
But I'm getting down from the table.
Oh, you're gonna come back down that way? That's a very smart idea.
Good.
Let's see you coming down. Good job.
That's cute.
Wait a minute. Where are you going? I thought you said you're coming down. Oh, you're going inside. Wow, that's tricky. Show us how you get down from the inside. Oh my goodness. That is super fun. Hello. Can you go all the way down? You're still stuck. How are you gonna get out? Oh, just like that? Good job, DJ. Yay! Give me a high five. That was brilliant. Wait, wait, my high five. Yay! Thank you. Okay. What happened?
We got. I have it. It's time to have. It's time to have. Awesome. We're making this. We're making this.
What should we do? Should we make a path?
Yeah, we're making it right here.
Yeah?
Cool.
We're making it right here. I'm going to move it.
You need help?
Wow.
Good job. You're doing it. That looks like a very hard surface.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Need some help over here. I need some help over
I
here.
need some help over here. Do you need my help?
Yeah.
Okay. Making more pile. The pile's getting bigger and bigger, you know?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Awesome!
Oh no!
And now we need to make a new one.
Yeah?
We need to make a new tank.
Okay.
You did great.
Nice!
I'm done with good. Right? Okay, son.
Oh, look, he's grabbing the remote. He's grabbing the remote. Almost. Almost. Can you do it? Can you pick it up? What did your daddy got today?
What is this, Jace? Look right here.
Oh,
Massatortec RC.
Master, your tech
amazing. What color is it? Yellow one.
Good
I
job!
like the yellow color. It looks nice. You don't need daddy to help you get it out?
No, we have to toss it.
Huh? Just why do we buy this one? Because it goes fast?
Because it's yellow and because it's a remote control car.
Exactly
Right,
how
Jace?
I like it. Thank you, Jess, for my new remote control car.
Oh
Jace,
no!
we're gonna need a screwdriver, Jace.
Oh, where did Jess go?
I have the two tires.
You got the screwdriver for daddy. Thank you, Jay. It's in here. Look. Hi, wait, this is triple A. Here's a double A. And these are big batteries. Yeah, those are not. Those I think they're C battery. There you go. And get the whole pack for daddy. All right, go on. Hurry, daddy. Got all batteries. We got you 5. See?
Oh.
See, look, the plus and the minus side. Okay? You see the minus go this way. See that? Good job. Well done.
Okay, here it
We will have to
is.
turn this off. That way it doesn't go on until we
Plus
finish.
side here.
This way?
This way.
Yeah.
Hallway. Oh, I know.
Amazing! It's beautiful.
Uh-oh.
I can go.
Can you help it? Can you tow it?
Yes, I can go. I don't think
You
you
gonna
can.
tow the car? Thank you. Oh, there you go. Thank you, Jace, for pulling the car. Now you want to drive it? No, you want me to drive it?
My phone. That's up.
That's okay, you saw it already.
I did do it.
Okay. That's good, Jace. Uh-oh. I don't think we can go over there. It's just towing his car. Good, Jace.
Great.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Going down the hill, Jace. What are we gonna do?
Down. This is not working. We need to go inside.
Yeah, go inside, okay?
Yeah, but you see?
You don't think the brake is the brake is too hard for it?
Yeah, but it does always do
It's always
on
got stuff?
your heel.
It always go through the little path over there.
Yeah, just in plastic.
Okay.
That's why. No. That's why we cannot be outside. Ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's see it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos of the Big Jace Show. Bye! See you next time!